All this material I have used for all my previous projects are very site-specific. Making them and creating work of art also makes them think what special about it. Hi, I'm Sashikanth Thavudoz. I'm a multimedia artist. I'm at India Art Fair installing Symphony of Nature Harmonic Forest. The project is evolved based on the BMW forwardism. The forwardism of BMW speaks about sustainability and inclusivity. If you see all of my work, there is a certain kind of linearity in a literal way, also like in an overall way. I see them as a drawings in a three-dimensional space. I think the project in India Art Fair is very special. All of my earlier projects, I have used different elements in different places. And somehow this project is kind of combining all those experiences and the tools and mediums together. I try to bring two different aspects in this particular project. I combined naturally made objects with the man-made objects. I have made 33 columns which were arranged symmetrically, which resembles a forest. So these light boxes symbolizes as we human where we are right now. Around the BMW car, all these elements together give certain kind of emotion which can trigger a dialogue, what is happening exactly around us. When I was proposed this project, I am not aware like how one can execute such a large-scale installation. So the whole process of making and bringing this work together gave me a certain kind of experience as an artist. Like you cannot do alone anything yourself. So I think this is a kind of lesson I learned